Good morning, everyone. My name is Joshua Kamba, and I'm the founder of Project Nitria. One of the common problems that the ornamental fish industry that they experience is the ammonia spike. So technically, what happens is that there will be foamy bubbles in the surface of the water, cloudy water, and smelly fish smell in the aquarium. And this is our product. So what does it do? This is a nitrifying bacteria enhancer with activated carbon that is formulated by us. So technically, what does it do is that it fastens the nitrogen cycles that occurs in a aquaculture setup, aquarium setup. So in a nitrogen cycle, there's this ammonia that converts by bacteria or nitrifying bacteria into toxic nitrite and to less toxic nitrate. And our product fastens that conversion. So this is our product. So this is the powdered oyster shell with activated carbon, and there's a scooper. So what I'm going to do is dissolve this powder in a small amount of water. So this is it. So the conversion is that one scoop is equal to 5 gallons, since this is 50 gallons. So this is a 50 gallons, so the conversion is equal to 1:5, so that will be 10 scoops. And after that, we're going to mix the mixture. So it looks like this. So after mixing it, we're going to pour it here. So after 24 to 48 hours, the bacteria or the effect of our product will start. So this is it.